1976 Porsche 911 S Coupe. Price, $108,500. Location, Alabama, USA. The 1976 Porsche 911 S Coupe is more than just a classic sports car, it's a true automotive icon that continues to captivate collectors and driving enthusiasts around the world. Finished in the rare and highly desirable factory special order emerald green metallic paint over a stunning cinnamon interior. This matching numbers example represents everything that made Porsche one of the most respected performance car manufacturers in history. From the moment you see it, this 911S commands attention with timeless styling and unmistakable character. The power comes from Porsche's legendary 2.7-litre air-cooled flat-six engine equipped with fuel injection and paired with a crisp 5-speed manual transmission. Every shift reminds the driver why the classic 911 remains one of the most rewarding sports cars ever built. The signature engine note, balanced handling, and precise steering combine to create an unforgettable driving experience that modern cars simply cannot duplicate. Whether cruising scenic highways or carving through winding back roads, this Porsche delivers pure analog excitement. The exterior is beautifully presented with factory emerald green metallic paint, elegant chrome trim, Bosch-branded lighting, a factory sunroof, rubber rear bumper, and iconic 15-inch Fuchs-style wheels wrapped in Bridgestone tires. Its unmistakable silhouette has remained one of the most recognizable automotive designs ever created. Every detail reflects Porsche's commitment to engineering excellence and timeless beauty, making this coupe just as impressive today as it was nearly 5 decades ago. The interior perfectly complements the sophisticated exterior with rich cinnamon upholstery and a driver-focused cockpit, reclining bucket seats, power windows, an Alpine radio, a 3-spoke steering wheel, VDO instrumentation, an analog dashboard clock, door pockets, a glove compartment, and a fender-mounted antenna preserve the authentic feel of a premium 1970s Porsche. Every control is thoughtfully positioned to enhance the connection between driver and machine, creating an immersive driving environment that has become legendary. The matching numbers status makes this Porsche especially desirable among collectors, adding authenticity and long-term investment appeal. Classic 911 values have continued to attract worldwide attention because of their rarity, historical significance, and enduring popularity, combined with its exceptional factory color combination and excellent mechanical condition. This 911S stands out as a remarkable example of Porsche's golden era. It's a car that can confidently be displayed at prestigious car shows or enjoyed on weekend drives with equal pride.